The World Health Organization has handed over health equipment worth $1 million to the government of Gambia on Monday. The event held at the Central Medical Store in Kotu is part of the many efforts WHO is rendering to the Gambia government to help fight the COVID-19 pandemic. Binta Fati reports.
The items, which include a patient monitor and antigen-based rapid diagnostic test worth close to $1 million. WHO donated the equipment to boost the health sector and help the government to fight against the coronavirus. Dr. Ahmad Lamin Samate, the Minister of Health, expressed delight to have received the equipment. This, according to him, means early diagnosis and treatment, as it will fasten healthcare response in this uncertain period.
These are life-saving items that come to boost our ability to respond to the COVID-19 pandemic. As the WHO representative, we call him the WR, has said, the response is in various forms, but also critical in the response is the identification of the people who are affected, who are infected. They need to be diagnosed. So having the diagnostic tools is a very important part of the response. Otherwise, we just assume people are infected and we don't have any evidence.
The WHO country representative to the Gambia, Dr. Dexter Tirini, affirmed the organization's commitment to supporting the government of the Gambia in the fight against COVID-19. Dr. Tirini called for concerted effort in curbing the further spread of the virus.
If every one of us to take responsibility and use the preventive measures that we know, like washing hands, keeping distance, wearing the masks all the time, we can actually further also strengthen the response in the country. So there is no little contribution. Every contribution that we do as individuals is very important.
The year-long coronavirus pandemic continued to ravage the world. Many countries are still registering new cases despite vaccine rollouts. The Gambia currently recorded a total of 5,019 COVID-19 cases with a death toll of 153. The country also registered 4,525 recoveries as of the 13th of March 2021. The West African country in early March received its first batch of the COVID-19 vaccine through the COVAX initiative, and vaccination campaign is underway. However, many raised concern regarding the safety of the vaccine. In response, the Minister of Health, Dr. Samate, reassured the public of the efficacy of the vaccine and urged for the full participation in the vaccination campaign. Reporting for iAfrica TV News, I am Binta Fati.
As the world still grapples with the pandemic, WHO donates medical equipment to Gambia to boost its health sector.